How to turn off or disable translation offer in Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to turn off the translation offer on your Google Chrome. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and do is open up Google Chrome on your device. Once you open it up, you need to find the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you need to find settings, go to settings. From settings, scroll down and you're going to find your languages settings. Go to languages. It will show you all of your preferred languages, and if you don't have other languages and if the page shows the other languages, it's going to automatically offer you to translate it to English or whichever default language you're using. Then to turn it off, all you have to do is just go to the translation settings and turn off this toggle right here to offer to send pages in other languages to Google Translate. Once you turn it off, you should be good to go. And if you want to add other preferred languages, you can do that from here as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.